Ngayon naman, makakasama natin si Miss Rachel Luna. Siya po ang General Manager ng Scholars of Sustenance. Magandang hapon po, Miss Rachel.
Good afternoon.
Ayan, ma'am. Kwentuhan nyo kami kung ano yung ginagawa ng Scholars of Sustenance.
So, Scholars of Sustenance actually started in Thailand 7 years ago. In 2022, it started here in the Philippines. We also have an office in Indonesia. So we are the third in the Southeast Asian countries. We are actually an environmental organization, but what we tackle is food. So we try to manage food waste, which then is an answer to another problem that we have in the Philippines, which is food insecurity.
Correct.
So that's what we do.
Correct. Gaano ba kadami, ma'am, ang food wastage sa Pilipinas?
1,717 metric tons daily.
Daily?
Yes, daily.
So yun yung on record?
On record, yes. Yan yung
Marami
mga
pang-
usually natatapon sa landfills.
Yeah, yung mga galing sa restaurants,
Yes.
fast food chains.
And then sa mga bagsakan ng vegetables.
Yeah, oo,
Yes,
pati yun
yes.
nasasayang din. And then what do you do po? Dun sa, para makabawas syempre sa food wastage and of course, sa nutrition.
So what we do is what we call we have a program called the Food Rescue Program. We work with manufacturers, hotels, restaurants, supermarkets. So what they do, they contact us so we can rescue their surplus food. So these
Okay.
are the near expiry goods that they have in their stores or in their bagsakans. And then we rescue that, we inspect it just to make sure it's still good for consumption. And then afterwards, we then donate it to communities and other NGOs.
So example, ma'am, wag tayo mag-mention ng brands.
Okay.
So example, paano? Halimbawa, si fast food ba yan? Or si restaurant? Paano yung proseso? Step by step natin.
Sure. So, for example, let's say na lang hotel or
Okay.
manufacturers. So, they reach out to us and then they tell us, okay, we have some bad orders here. And then they schedule a day with us. We go there with our refrigerated trucks. Yes.
So temperature control.
Temperature controlled siya. We have the food rescue ambassadors, which are our drivers. They inspect it if it's still may mga rust ba, bukas na ba, may butas pa.
Dun sa manufacturing.
Dun
ano
sa
to,
manufacturing side pa lang siya ha. And then afterwards, so we put it in the truck. And then we contact our accredited communities or NGOs. And then after it's distributed, we still check kung may nagbago in the temperature. We want to maintain kasi the integrity of the
Correct.
food in transit.
Madali yun, ma'am, kung galing sa manufacturer. Halimbawa, canned goods na Sotex na, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Paano yung galing sa restaurant?
Let's say galing sa hotels or sa
Okay,
restaurants.
alright.
So they freeze it for us. And then at the end of the week, we pick it up from their hotels or from the restaurants. And then afterwards, we put it in the refrigerated truck. And then what we make sure for these kinds of food naman, we make sure that the recipients have their own community kitchens. Meaning to say they have the capability to heat the food and then to distribute it within the same day. So what we try to do is to make sure that the accredited NGOs or communities that we have, they go through rigorous training with us, which is what we call the food safety and handling. And then we identify also yung mga areas nila kung may access sila to good
Yeah.
packaging. So things like that.
Linawin natin, ma'am, hindi ito pagpag.
Hindi siya pagpag.
Okay,
Hindi siya
okay.
pagpag. So we want to remove the idea na it's,
Yeah, yung throw
spoiled.
away na talaga.
Yeah, it's spoiled talaga. It's still really good for consumption. It's something that you and I can eat.
Yeah, yung napasobrang
Exactly.
gawin.
At the end of the day, we want to give these communities the same dignity that is afforded to us.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am, medyo familiar po ako kasi with before yung DCMM, ang partner namin ay si Feeding Metro Manila. Okay, so they do the same thing and we've they've collaborated with us
Yeah.
at yun yung pag nagpi-feeding tayo
Correct,
partner sa
correct.
community. My experience lang kasi when they do this, nung pag kumukuha silang pagkain, ang talagang binibigay ng mga kumpanya are mga nearly expiring.
Yes.
Oo, kasi kaunti lang yung ganun ka-generous na
Yes.
yung mga okay pa ay
Yes.
Yung talagang
ibigay.
fresh.
Right.
Oo.
Oh.
And I agree, parang nakakaawa kasi kung sa pagpagkukunin, 'di ba? Na parang
correct.
talagang nagbubukas
Yeah,
na
yeah.
kasi tinatapon. Kasi 'di ba kahit yung 'di ba sa hotel, yung pagkain na ni-reject, number one, di yun papakain sa mga
Yeah.
tao nila,
Yes,
'di ba?
yes, yes,
Madaming
yes.
rules sa pagkain.
Yes.
They will definitely throw that away.
Yes.
'Di ba? So ang question ko kasi most of the time ito ay may waiver partner
Yes.
na hindi sila responsible kapag
Correct.
may nagkasakit doon sa mga sumalo ng pagkain. Tama ba, ma'am?
Yes, they have a waiver. So when it's donated to us, kami yung sasalo ng responsibility, and then afterwards, when it's then transferred, that's why we partner with communities and NGOs. Kasi when it's distributed to them, the responsibility naman is passed on to them afterwards.
So wala kayong central kitchen.
Wala kami. We have a central kitchen, but it's not. It doesn't allow for regular feeding. We just do supplemental feeding for our CSR activities.
Kasi yun ang difference. Sa Feeding Metro Manila, pareho may kitchen sila.
Yes.
So after they lulutuin nila, and that's talagang to make sure na nakita nila yung, kasi medyo risky, di ba,
Yes,
ma'am?
very.
Pag pinasa mo dun sa isa, hindi mo alam kung napanis along the way.
Correct,
Yes,
correct.
yes,
Right?
yes.
Tapos nagkasakit yung mga tao.
Right,
So
iba-iba.
medyo, but I understand where we are coming from. Sayang ang pagkain,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
So ito po ay nakakatulong sa problema nga ng
Yeah.
in other words, ang daming gutom.
Yes,
Correct.
food insecurity.
Diba?
Yes,
Bakit
yes.
mo itatapon, diba?
Yep, yep.
Okay, ma'am. So, bakit Scholars of Sustenance?
So the tagline is feeding the land and feeding the mind. That's why it's Scholars of Sustenance, and then serving the people. Kasi what we try to do is eliminate nga food waste, which food waste kasi contributes to methane and also results to
Yeah.
climate change.
Correct.
So parang it has an impact from soil to the actual food itself.
May
eh.
mga chain reaction. na
Exactly.
siya.
May mga chain reaction siya. So parang with climate change, there's an instability in the pattern of the farmers, then the supply goes down, and then the demand goes up, which then limits the access of low-income families to good quality
Correct.
food. So kami, what we try to do is bridge that gap.
Yeah.
That's where we are coming from.
Ang
Oo,
butter.
nako.
Okay, balikan natin si Miss Rachel. Ma'am, anong hugot ng Scholars of Sustenance?
Ang hugot ay, andyan na yung solusyon eh. Nakaharap na sa'yo.
Correct.
Parang kailangan lang ng mga organization na take action talaga dun sa problema. Dalawa kasi yung problema mo, yung waste and then yung food insecurity. And kaya namin siyang i-bridge yung gap eh. Nakapresent na yung answer sa atin, kumbaga, yung sagot. I guess yun yung pinaglalaban ko. Nandyan na tayo, Sige na, magtulungan na lang tayo to get there.
So, ano ang mga needs ninyo?
Yeah.
Ngayon, pwede kang manawagan for partnerships,
correct.
diba? Madaming nanonood at nakikinig sa atin.
Actually, ang pressing need talaga namin is additional refrigerated trucks.
Okay.
Yun talaga. Kasi, syempre, alam naman natin yung traffic sa Pilipinas.
Wait, question
right?
nakakita na akong freezing truck nagdadala ng yelo. Ano yung
Yes.
refrigerating truck? Ano yung...
Yung may thermostat na,
Meron
yung
siya.
may ganun na.
Yes, meron siyang may thermostat siya sa loob.
Okay.
And parang siyang customized
Parang
na
NMIS
truck eh.
van.
Oo.
okay.
Para pagka yung mga, kunyari, mga goods na kailangan temperature controlled, at least assured kami na safe pa rin siya. So, yun talaga yung kailangan namin. Kasi, naiipit kami with traffic, so may mga donors. Would you believe, may mga donors kaming hindi na namin napupuntahan.
Sayang.
Ganun kadami ang willing magbigay.
Maraming willing magbigay, pero syempre, we are, parang we're race against time, basically.
Yeah.
Kasi near
Kasi,
expiry siya.
wow.
Puro Sotex.
Franco,
soon
I
to
think hindi
expire.
na natin kailangang mamili sa grocery. Volunteer tayo. Oo.
Game.
So, share namin sa mga kapitbahay.
Oo.
Yes,
correct.
yes. May mga
Oh,
nag-volunteer
wow.
sa amin.
Kasi hindi uubra yung ginagamit ng mga food delivery na thermal bags. Hindi siya uubra.
Hindi siya
Oo
uubra.
nga. Kailangan, so yun ang kailangan mo. Magkano
Yes.
mga ganyan?
Ang isang
At saka
ganong
saan
truck.
nabibili? Ang,
Calling all senatoriables, congressionables.
Actually, share ko lang.
Party list.
Recently, umakyat kami sa North, okay? We were able to rescue 16.5 tons of vegetables.
Wow.
Sobrang dami. Nahilo kami.
Pwede
we
ka
had to
magbato
rent.
sa amin.
We had to rent another truck for
Wow,
that.
okay.
The truck usually ranges mga 2M.
Yung
Kasi yung refrigerated
refrigerated.
truck.
Wow.
Yes. So yun siya. But knowing kung gaano karami yung matutulungan mo, I think it's worth the investment.
Yeah, oo.
nga. Pero sana magkaroon ka na rin ng kitchen or moving kitchen. Hopefully.
Yan yung mga plans namin in the future. Meron kaming kitchen pero it can only support maybe 1,000 to 1,500 meals.
How do you choose the communities na hahatiran? Or regularly sila yon?
Hindi sila regular. So very particular kami with the communities. Gusto namin yung mga elderlies.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Low income families. Yan. We also have we have a partnership with NCR, BJMP, mga PDLs.
Okay.
And then street dwellers.
Wow, nice.
yun
So who
yung
can
mga-
get in touch with you?
Actually community
And how? Sorry, how? Paano?
So we have a website. It's called scholarsofsustenance.org. Please reach out to us through that. Our contact details are there. Pwede nyo kaming tawagan din. I can give my personal number later on. And at the same time, if you want to volunteer, we
Yeah,
welcome
nice.
anyone that will sort yung mga gulay namin.
Sa ngayon, ilan ang manpower ninyo?
Sobrang dami namin. 13.
Lucky 13.
Ayan talaga.
Lucky
eh.
13. So, talagang minsan, dire-diretso kami. Sometimes, pag umaakit kami sa mga ibang lugar, wala kaming tulog kasi the following day may pick up ulit kami ng mga gulay or mga canned goods.
Correct.
Very good.
May mga magsasabi na nakikinig sa atin na ginagawa nyo yan, kayo ba mismo kakainin nyo yan?
Oo
Ayan.
naman.
Oo.
Ako, number 1 akong taga-test nila. Buhay pa naman ako,
Ah.
thankfully. Tester din kami kasi we underwent what they call the food safety and handling training.
Okay.
So, usually sa mga restaurants and hotels, isa lang yung kailangan. Pero kami, marami akong hugot eh. So sabi ko, bakit hindi lahat tayo mag-food safety? So
Correct.
all 13 of us, kaya namin siyang i-manage.
Okay, ma'am, before we let you go, I thought very important.
Go.
Para tips sa ating mga kaservisyo. Tips on proper storage of food para humaba ang
Ayan.
buhay niya at saka paano mo malalaman kung spoiled o panis na ang isang pagkain.
So, proper storage, if it's dapat talaga binabasa natin yung nasa label. If it requires room temperature, then dapat room temperature lang. And then if it requires na dapat refrigerated, dapat refrigerated. Sorry, what was your other question?
Hindi, yun simple lang. Kunyari, kumakain tayo, di ba? Yung natirang pagkain, how long can it stay sa labas bago mo i-refrigerate? When do you suggest freezing yung mga
Okay.
pagkain? Pag frozen, gaano katagal ang buhay niya?
So, pag frozen kasi usually, pwede pa siyang tumagal for a week.
Kung frozen.
Pag frozen
Cooked frozen food.
Cooked frozen
Okay.
food. Pwede pa siya a week.
Kung fresh?
Kung
hilaw?
fresh, mga 3 days lang yan eh.
Okay.
Pero proper storage, dapat walang moisture in the vegetables. Paano mo malalaman kung sira na siya pag may amoy na? Or
Okay.
iba na yung kulay? Yun. Or nagbabubbles na.
Yeah,
Correct,
that's correct. Pag may bubble. Okay.
Paano sila pwedeng mag-reach out sa'yo?
I will give my personal number later.
No, don't.
Okay.
Wag ko na.
Facebook.
Facebook
na lang.
Scholars of Sustenance Philippines.
Ayan,
Our-
Scholars of Sustenance Philippines.
We are on Facebook and on Instagram.
And Instagram.
Oo.
Okay.
Hinahanap kita sa Rachel, if friend kita, wala ka sa Facebook.
Wala
sa
akong
Instagram.
Facebook, may Instagram ako.
Ay,
Mo, tama. Oh.
Rachel
Pero willing
Luna.
siya ibigay personal number niya.
Kung willing ka, expect a barrage of
Darling,
messages.
we are watched worldwide.
I know.
Correct. So,
Kalimatain ka.
I know.
medyo yan. Dadami yung friends
Delikado.
mo.
Oo
So,
nga.
sige.
Facebook na lang so you can
Facebook na
manage.
lang. Or
Pero
Instagram.
una na akong makikipag-friends
Yes,
sa'yo.
definitely.
Oo, marami
Yeah.
tayong sinusuportahan ng mga
Correct.
NGOs na matutulungan po ninyo. Okay.
Sige, thank
Alright.
you.
Maraming
Thank you,
salamat.
Rachel.
Yan po si Miss Rachel Luna, ang General Manager ng Scholars of Sustenance.